They call it God's own country. And here, in the heart of it all, lie the timeless backwaters of Alleppey. Namaskaram. Today I am in the stunning town of Champakulam in Alleppey to witness one of Kerala's oldest and most spectacular traditions, the Champakulam Moolam Boat Race Festival. Held every year on the serene Pamba River, this isn't just a race, it's a living, breathing celebration of devotion and tradition that dates back over 500 years. I'm Ramona Arena, and this is Festive Trails, a journey through India's hidden celebrations brought to you by Hyundai. And what better way to explore this beautiful region than the Hyundai Venue? Zippy, fun, nimble, and absolutely perfect for these windy, super narrow, water-lined backwater roads. Before the splash and spectacle, there's devotion. The Champakulam race begins with a sacred puja right here at the Ambalapudia Sri Krishna Swami temple, a ritual that is as important as the race itself. The rowing teams have been practicing for weeks on end, bonding, synchronizing, and preparing for that one moment of winning glory. 120 men live, eat and breathe together for at least 3 months before race day, practicing morning, afternoon and evening. It's not so much about strength or speed as it is the synchronicity. The Champakulam Moolam boat race dates back to 1545 AD. It commemorates the day a sacred idol of Lord Krishna was installed in the Ambalapudia temple, with the king's royal barge being escorted down this very river. What started as a spiritual journey became one of Kerala's most enduring traditions. Before the race kicks off, I was lucky to witness a very sacred puja held at one of Champakulam's oldest homes with a lot of historical significance. the drumbeats grow louder, so does the anticipation. The snake boats known as Chandanvaram are 100 feet long and a true testament to strength, unity and legacy. This isn't about speed, it's about pride, it's about history, it's about being part of something larger than yourself. The weather is really hot, but the energy is electric. The people are absolutely happy. And I gotta say that the community definitely comes together to celebrate this, whether they're from near or afar. The Malayalis take a lot of pride in keeping their traditions alive. The main race, which is also the biggest, happens in Kochi, and exciting as that is, I still chose to come here for this one because not only is it more intimate, but also it's less crowded, allowing me to get as close to the action as possible. What better way to experience this thrilling festival? With the punchy 1-liter turbo engine under the hood of my Venue, I was able to chase the action, switch viewpoints, and discover pockets of beauty in between the chaos. Exactly what I need when I'm zipping from one boat race location to the next. Smooth when you want it, responsive when you need it. It's a spirited drive for a spirited day. And what a day it's been! The sweat, the soul, the songs. There's quite nothing like the Champakulam Moolam boat race, which is pure magic. There's a reason this tradition has stood the test of time. It's not just about who wins, it's about celebrating who we are together. It's days like these that remind you just how beautifully diverse and rooted India is. From the people to the traditions to the energy, this has been an unforgettable 4-part series traversing the length and breadth of India and uncovering these little-known festivals. And with a reliable Hyundai by my side, I've experienced it all safely in comfort and style. Until the next season, keep exploring, keep celebrating. Thank you for being such great travel companions.